Hello everyone, good day and welcome to this channel. So today we are going to look at how to use Jupyter Notebook to create and format text just like the one you used to see in the Microsoft Word. So here, when you open the Jupyter Notebook, this is what you are going to see. This is called a cell. You can use this tool button to create a cell below and then above, and use this one to delete a cell. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut key A to create below, B to create above, and then D plus D to delete a cell. So today let's move on to our main task. So before we are going to format and create a text in the Jupyter Notebook, you have to make sure that this side is checked, and then we select what Markdown. Once you select Markdown, we come inside and then we start creating and then formatting our text. So we are going to use the hash sign to create our text. Hash, then you bring your space. So the hash, the number of hash is used to control the font size of our text. Okay, so use the number of hash to control. So let's say this is called heading one. Heading heading one. Let's call this one as double hash. Let me copy this one here. And let's call this one as heading two. Heading two. Sorry. Heading three. Heading four. And let's run it. So running it, to use this one. You see, it has been able to format the text, and then the number of hash increases. When the number of hash increases, it means that the font size also begins to decrease. So that is how to create that one also there. All right, so let's look at how to also bold a text. Okay, so bolding a text, you use double asterisk before and after the text. Okay, double asterisk, or you can use double underscore before and after. Okay, double underscore. Mm? So when you run it, I see it has been bolded. Okay, you can also italize our text. That one uses a single asterisk and single underscore. So italic, single, and then single underscore, italic. Anyway, you achieve the same thing. Everything that one. Okay, that's perfect. So let's look at how to also underline a text. Underlining a text. Okay, so to underline a text, you use this open and closing tags. Okay, HTML coding. So you, and then let's see underline. Then we close it. Then you have to run it and see. So it has been what underlined nicely for us. Okay, so let's look at how to number and then bullet a text. Okay, numbering and bulleting a text. So use the hash, then repeat the number. Let's call this one maybe number one. Number. Okay, store number. And let's run this. Good. You see, it has been numbered nicely for us. Okay, let's look at how to also bullet a text. Okay, so bulleting a text, you use a single dash or asterisk, but this time around, it is not going to be attached to the word. You give it a space. So let's say bullet, bullet one, bullet. Let's call this one bullet one, and this one has bullet two. If we run it, see, so it has been what bulleted. You can also create sub bullets. In the sub bullet, you use the tab. Okay, you delete this one and then create hash here. Let's call this one as sub bullet. Sub bullet. And let's run it. So it has been created for us very nicely. See, it's very easy to create some of these things. Very, very easy. All right, so let's look at how to also insert an image. Okay, we can insert an image into our cell using drag and drop or copying the path of the image from our computer. So I have copied the path of my image, so I'll paste it here. So this is the path of my image. Okay, let me run it and see. No, okay, there is something wrong with this one here. Alright, so this one is not working. Okay, so let's delete this one and use drag and drop. So this is my image. I'll drag it and then drop it here. Quickly, it brings the far direction or far location of my image. Okay, so let me run it. Good. So it has been able to fit the image inside the cell for me very nicely. All right. So let's look at how to also insert a link in our Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So inserting a link, we bring our bracket. Let's see. Click here. Click here to access Google. Then we close it, and then we bring our bracket. Then we give it the URL of the site. So URL of the site. We type it in www.google.com. Then close it. Then we run it. Good. So click here to access Google. When you click here, you can easily go to the Google site and then see what you want from there. Alright, so let's look at how to also insert image. We have already inserted the image, so we are going to look at how to insert formulas. Okay, so inserting the formulas, you are going to use dollar sign before and after the formula. Let's see, inserting this formula. P equals, sorry, I, R square, R square, R, I square R. Then we end it with a dollar sign. Then we run it. Quickly, it has been able to, fill the formula very nicely for us. Okay, let's move on and see how to also create a table. So in creating a table, this is how we create a table. So let's see, we bring this one. Let me see, need, then each. Let's see, year. We come down. So come down here and then you use the dash. This dash is used to underline or underline the headings. Okay. Then you come here and then alright, so this is how to create the table. Okay. So we run it. Once you run it, it has been oops, it is giving us an error. Let's look at how to fix that one as well. Alright, so let's fix this. We have been able to fix this one over here and let's run it. Good. So once you run it, it has displayed the table for us very nicely and very easy. Okay, so let's also look at how to also format a text, changing the font size, the background color, and then what have you. So in doing that, you're going to use opening and closing tags. Okay, so first let's look at how to create this one. So in creating this one, let's say we are creating a paragraph over here. Okay, so within the paragraph is where we are going to style it. Okay, so type style equals, bring this one over here. Alright, so we use this HTML codes to format our text to first of all give it color, font align it, with font align it right, okay, then font size, background color, font weight, and then font type. Then we run it and see. Good. So once you run it, it has displayed this one very nicely for us. And then also, you see this, when you run it, you can see that they were all on the same line, but we can use the break button, okay, to bring one below the other. So let's use break here. Use break. Okay, break break, and let's run it and see. Good. So it has broken it. It has brought this one. This one at first they were together, but this time it has brought it below. Okay. So that is how it works. You said font align is right, but we didn't see right. Let's look at the reason why and then fix that one as well. So okay, so there was a typo here. It was supposed to be align. Okay. So the same thing. Font align is supposed to be right. Okay, so I'll check that one and then resolve it. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you see this video and find this one very helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.